Okay, so the problem is with these Coleman grills, you're pulling the thing out in the grass, you're moving it back and forth, and all of a sudden the front catches on something, and it'll catch real quick, and all of a sudden, oh, it's dropping. And it can just happen real quick. So we want to put something in here to prevent that from coming out. Why they didn't do it, I don't know. So we finally got the hole. Pin fits in there. So I'm going to have to widen it a little bit. Not quite fitting in there yet. I did not drill into the bottom of the grill. That was just that bottom plate. Now that goes in there. So my wire locking pin is now fitting in there. Now we got our hole drilled. Put that up in there. Take our locking clip. Hold down on it a little bit. And now she is locked in there. That is locked in. And we'll bring it around so you can see that it's just holding it pretty nicely in there. And if I sit there and lift up on that thing, it's just not coming out. It's not coming out. I want to take it out. I just pull down on the pin. Take that out. Now she's ready to fold up. So there it is. Simple fix so that this Coleman grill won't collapse on you and start a fire or break your damn grill.